Hello everybody, today I want to show you how I'm gonna connect these hinges to a cigar box I'm building. Now the first thing we need to do is to take it apart. So there's a pin here that I'm gonna knock out, and then we can take out this part. Without knocking out the pin, this will not come out. I'm gonna show you how now to do it.
Ride till the sun comes up and down around me about 2 or 3 times. Smoking cigarettes in the last seat. Try to hide myself from the people I meet and get along with it all. Go down what people say, oh, sing a song with a friend, change the shape of a man, and get back in the game, start playing again.
Okay, after we took the hinges apart, now all I do is set it here, and I'm going to mark it the position I want on the box.
Change your words to the song, start singing again. I'm tired of running around looking for questions that already know. I could build me a castle of memories just to have somewhere to go. Count the days and the nights that it takes to get back in the saddle again. Feed the pigeons some clay, turn the night into day. Start talking again when I know what to say. I'm going down to a Greyhound station, gonna get a ticket to ride. Gonna find that lady with 2 or 3 kids and sit down by her side. Ride till the sun comes up and down around me about 2